This is a continuation of my last video. If you've not watched the last video, please go and watch it. Right, so in my last video, I did cut plantain. I bought plantain in bulk actually. I cut them and put them in freezer, okay? And the purpose of me doing this is because I came across a lot of, videos on social media that says you can buy plantain in bulk, cut them, put it in the freezer for it to freeze, and anytime you need it, all you need to do, bring it out from the freezer and fry. Okay, that is what I've done. This is how the plantain looks like. This is frozen plantain, as you can see. Okay, so now what I'll do is to fry this plantain, but first of all, I'm going to separate the plantain because it's frozen, is like gummed together. Okay, so I'm going to try to separate it so it will be easier for me to fry. So this idea of frozen plantain frying, is it going to really look like when you go to the shop to buy a fresh one and fry it that day? We're just going to take a look at that to see if it's going to be the same as fresh, fresh without frozen fried plantain. So I'm still separating the plantain because it's, frozen. So I'm going to put them one after the other, okay, in a frying pan. Like I said, this is experiment. I wonder how this is going to. I'm so want to see how the outcome of this frozen plantain. Seriously, I'm so wanting to see, willing to see. In fact, willing to see how it's going to look like at the end of the day. So, I'll go ahead and put everything in the hot fry oil. I'll say hot oil. So I'll fry them, and let's see how it will look like. If you have done this before, please tell me, did it come out well or was it soggy? Let's watch and see the outcome of this. So these are some of the plantain in there, and from all indication it doesn't look good at all. It looks a little bit soggy, but I'm just gonna carry on and see the final outcome or the final result. The outcome of frozen plantain isn't satisfactory at all to me, and therefore I won't be freezing my plantain anytime soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe, comment, and do leave me a beautiful comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.